Right. Severe tropical cyclone Ula category 3 was located near 21.6 degrees south and 180 degrees longitude, or about 70 kilometers west southwest of Oneilau, or about 310 kilometers south southwest of Canberra at 6 a.m. this morning. Close to its center, the cyclone is expected to have average winds of 150 kilometers per hour and momentary gusts of to 205 kilometers per hour. As we all know, that the tropical cyclone Ula approached the southern Lau group from the east, from its way from Bavau, and it passed between Ongea and Vatoa around midday yesterday. It continues to trek southwest, moving away from the southern Lau group at about 16 kilometers per hour. On this trek, the cyclone is expected to lie about 275 kilometers southwest of Oneilau, or about 415 kilometers south-southwest of Canberra at 1 p.m. today, and about 355 kilometers southwest of Oneilau, or about 495 kilometers southwest of Canberra at 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. Tropical cyclone Ula is expected to gradually weaken in the next 12 to 24 hours, slow down on its current trek, and anticipated to trek northwestwards. It poses no direct threat to Fiji at this stage. For the Oneilau and Vatoa Islands, damaging gale force winds with speeds of 75 kilometers per hour and momentary gusts up to 100 kilometers per hour can still be experienced. We need to understand that the storm is moving away, and the damaging gale force winds is expected to ease during next 6 hours as the cyclone moves further away. We would expect some periods of heavy rain and squally thunderstorms with damaging heavy swells and sea flooding of low-lying areas. For the rest of Oneilau, Esawa, and Mamanoda group, northern and southern Viti Levu, Lomai Viti group, Kandavu, Vanua Levu, Taviuni, and nearby smaller islands, expect a strong southwest to northwest winds with average speeds of 45 kilometers per hour, gusting to 65 kilometers per hour. Occasional rain, heavy at times. For the rest of Fiji, moderate to fresh west to southwest winds, gusty at times, occasional rain, heavy at times. This is especially for the marinas and for the southern Lau waters and southern Koro Sea. Expects winds of hurricane force and phenomenal seas within 15 nautical miles of the center. Storm force winds and very high seas out to 35 nautical miles from center, and gale force and high seas out to 90 nautical miles in the northern semicircle and 110 nautical miles in the southern semicircle from the center, damaging heavy swells. For the rest of Fiji waters, southwest to northwest winds 20 to 30 knots with gusts to 45 knots, rough to very rough seas, moderate to heavy swells.